Realme has just launched their new headphones. We're talking about Realme Buds Air 6 Pro. These headphones have a closed design with a tubular shape, very traditional to what we have already seen, but let me quickly and briefly mention the rest of their features indeed. We are talking about headphones with 50 decibel noise cancellation, which is quite impressive. Additionally, they will offer us 10 hours of battery life and support for high-res audio thanks to the incorporation of the LDAC codec. They also offer spatial sound and have a feature to personalize and adjust the sound you will hear, giving you a highly personalized equalizer, such as in order to enhance your listening experience. It's a small test that lasts about 2 minutes where you listen to different styles of sound, you choose the one you like the most, and based on that, it creates your own equalizer. It integrates Bluetooth 5.3 technology and also Google Fast Pair, so it can be quickly detected by Android devices with Google services. They can also connect to 2 devices at the same time and offer 10 hours of battery life without noise cancellation, 7.5 hours with noise cancellation, but considering the charging case, it can go up to 40 hours. For now, these headphones have been announced for India at a price of approximately 4,999 rupees, but remember that prices here are not the same as there. Surely over time, these headphones will be announced in other countries and regions and the price will be adjusted accordingly.